Aloha and welcome to lesson 5 of this beginner ukulele video series. In today's lesson, we're going to be learning a new strumming pattern. So the strumming pattern we're going to be learning today is called the 8th note strum. What it means basically is that there are 8 strums in a single bar. Normally you'd be doing the chord note strum where you'd be striking on every 1, every 2, every 3, every 4. Now we're going to be striking in between the 1 and the 2, so it becomes like this: 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and so you basically get 4 beats with 8 strums. So in every bar you get 8 strums. That's why it's called the 8th note strumming pattern. So we're going to be using both of the same chord combinations we did in lesson 4 using this strumming pattern. Let's begin at 75 BPM. This is going to be C, A minor, F and G. Let's get to it.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Well done. Now let's repeat this at 100 BPM.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay, excellent. Now we're going to be doing the second strumming pattern of C, G, A minor and F, and make sure that you stay in the rhythm. Listen to the click track and strum along with that. If you feel yourself, slightly going off rhythm, then practice it again and again. In the description you'll find the relevant playthrough time link. So make sure you click on that and repeat it as many times as you need to so that you're very fluent with your right hand. Let's get to 75 BPM.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Well done. Now let's do this at 100 BPM.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Hope you found this lesson useful. Make sure you hit that like button and click the subscribe button to stay up to date with all our latest videos. If you would like to come back and go through any of the material again, go down to the description, click on the relevant playthrough in the timeline, and you can recap it again and again as many times as you like. If you would also like to play a longer version of the playthrough, we've released all the playthroughs as a music album. They're available to listen on all your favorite streaming platforms. If you like what we're doing, make sure you follow us on social media. Our links are in the description below. All your clicks, shares, likes and comments make a big difference to keep this channel going. In order to help us even further, you can become a member on our Gigsy page. The Gigsy page link is in the description below. And above all else, stay safe and keep on uking.